Jessica has to explain why cockroaches make wonderful pets. And she's going to act like a friend named Spencer Dunham.
I'm going to try because it's really fucking funny. I can't do it. Okay. Cockroaches are lovely animals because they've got them legs with some things on them. You guys wouldn't get that unless you saw something else, and that wasn't really funny at all.
You guys just have to know Spencer.
No, cockroaches are pretty cool. No, they're little and like their wings, I guess.
Or outer shell or something.
They got
I don't
these
know.
weird leg thingies and the antennas. I don't know. They're really ugly critters, but I mean, they jump around and stuff and kind of. They're really disgusting. And most little preppy girls, you know, the ones with the blonde hair and little skinny bodies, the anorexic ones that don't eat, the ones that tan a lot, you know.
And the cheerleaders.
They're kind of like the
bake.
cheerleaders, fake and bake. You know, we got a lot of those here. Anyways, they'd be afraid of them, but as hardcore kids.
Oh yes.
Show yourself.
Really? Ah!
We're cool with the cockroaches.
Yeah, we're down with the
We have one in here
roaches.
somewhere, I'm sure. His name is Fred. He's cool.
Glintstone.
Fred Glintstone, yes. Junior. He's freaking awesome. I think that's why cockroaches can make good pets.
What do they eat? What do I feed Fred?
He'll find some.
Potato chips?
Here.
And milk out of a kiddie bowl?
That's up there. He'll get to that.
Eventually.
But yeah, cockroaches. There's a new dog.